Imagine a world where businesses no longer rely on human intuition alone to make decisions, where AI predicts outcomes, automates processes, and drives growth like never before. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that this is already happening, and one company is at the forefront of this revolution? C3.ai is not just another AI company, it's a game changer in enterprise AI software. It's helping businesses transform, making them smarter, faster, and more efficient. But how exactly is C3.ai achieving this? And why should you care? Let's dive deep into the fascinating world of AI-driven enterprise solutions. What is C3.ai and why is it special? C3.ai is an enterprise AI software company that provides AI-driven solutions for businesses across various industries. But wait, haven't we heard about AI companies before? What makes C3.ai different? Unlike other companies that focus on general AI applications, C3.ai specializes in AI-powered automation for industries like healthcare, manufacturing, oil and gas, and even defense. This means that rather than just building AI for fun, they are creating AI that actually makes businesses more profitable and efficient. This is where it gets interesting. C3.ai's technology is designed to predict and prevent problems before they happen. Imagine an oil company that can use AI to detect potential equipment failures before they occur, saving millions in repairs and downtime. Or a healthcare system that can predict disease outbreaks before they even start. That's the power of C3.ai. But here's something shocking. Despite all these incredible capabilities, most people still don't know about this company. And this is where things get really exciting. If you're still watching, hit that like button right now because what I'm about to tell you next will blow your mind. How does C3.ai work? So how does C3.ai actually help businesses? Let's break it down in simple terms. The company provides AI-powered software that can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, automate complex decision-making, predict future trends based on historical data, improve efficiency and reduce operational costs. One of C3.ai's most famous projects is its AI-powered predictive maintenance. Large industries use their software to predict when machines will break down, before they actually do. This prevents unexpected failures and saves businesses billions of dollars. Imagine if every industry started using this: factories, airlines, hospitals. The potential is unlimited. And here's a question for you. Do you think AI will completely take over industries in the future? Or will humans still be needed? Comment below with your thoughts. The investment opportunity: should you buy C3.ai stock? Now, here's something that will really make you think. C3.ai is still a relatively new company in the stock market, which means it has huge growth potential. Just think about it. AI is the future, and companies that adopt AI will dominate their industries. So wouldn't it make sense to invest in a company that's leading this revolution? C3.ai's stock price has been fluctuating, but experts believe that as AI adoption increases, the stock could skyrocket. Some analysts are even comparing it to early-stage investments in companies like Tesla and Amazon. But what do you think? Is investing in AI a smart move? Let me know in the comments. The future of C3.ai: where is this company headed? Now, let's talk about the future. The AI industry is expected to grow into $1 trillion market, and C3.ai is positioning itself to be a major player. They are constantly improving their AI models, partnering with big companies, and expanding into new industries. Imagine a world where AI handles everything, from traffic control to medical diagnoses, from financial trading to environmental monitoring. C3.ai is at the center of making this vision a reality. And if you're excited about the future of AI, don't forget to hit that like button right now. Final thoughts: is C3.ai the next big thing? So, is C3.ai worth paying attention to? Absolutely. Whether you're a business owner looking to optimize your company with AI, an investor looking for the next big stock, or just someone fascinated by technology, C3.ai is a name you need to remember. The question is, are you ready for the AI revolution? Or do you think we are still far from that future? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more insights into the future of AI, investing, and technology.